Who doesn't love free? Tonight I want to share with you some free courses offered by Mitutoyo America when it comes to calibration training. So for all you quality assurance professionals, this one's for you. Whether you sign up yourself right on the Mitutoyo website, you call your local Mitutoyo rep, or perhaps on YouTube. Any way you go, this course is available for free to you. Let's review what they go over in this course so you get a better idea, and whether you check it out on YouTube or you go over to the Mitutoyo E Learning website and sign up for yourself to get access to a larger compendium of free courses through them. The choice is yours. I'll put both links below. Let's check it out. I've got the YouTube loaded. The navigation is really simple. It's just as simple on their dashboard. Once you sign up for the Mitutoyo E Learning, you'll get a dashboard of the things you're currently working through. I was reviewing some of the content before I did this video for you all tonight. When you log in, it's going to ask if you'd like to resume from your last position, and then it's going to start loading the introduction to the show. If you click no like I did, it gives you a little bit of an introduction of what to expect and how that's going to go, and then you get the entire pane here behind my head that'll go module by module. Click next to proceed, next page, or finish course as they light up on their own. For now, they're grayed out. They're going to complete as we go more through the videos. If you have a look here on the YouTube site, you have Intro to Metrology Training, Understanding Metrology, what is metrological traceability, and so on. It goes over all the calibration basics. Whether you're a machinist on the shop floor or a quality assurance professional in the lab, these videos are going to be a great primer or a refresher depending. Introducing this as part of your basic training for new hires is a great way to quickly onboard them with proper principles and procedures without having to have a lot of one-on-one time with your staff that are already overworked. As we are growing and getting busier in manufacturing, it's so essential to have resources like this provided by the suppliers to help us onboard new employees, get them the skills they need to perform on the job. Until next time, keep your spindle turning and earning.